Hello everyone, this video concerns the demonstration of our product from AI to BI, which involves the application of artificial intelligence technique, that is AI based chatbot, which will help the farmers to get the agriculture related information more efficiently, economically and in real time. As agriculture is the backbone sector of Indian economy and farmers plays a vital role in agriculture, in this modern era, the use of new technologies and farming practices have been replaced by all traditional method of farming. In traditional way, if farmers wants to know the information about weather, they need to rely on radios or some Kisan call center to get the weather information. Similarly, if they want to know about climate suitable, particular type of soil suitable for respective crop, fertilizer information, irrigation, when to do harvesting, etc., they need to contact to Kisan call centers where experts will guide them, which takes a large amount of time. So now we can use here artificial intelligence based chatbots which will save the time of farmers and get the services and information in less amount of time. Now let's move ahead with the demonstration of our chatbot, Kisan Suvidha Assist. Welcome. Would you like to provide the details? Let's click yes. So this form will store the user's information which in future will help us to notify the user for any upcoming schemes, subsidy loan information, agriculture related activities, weekly updates provided by the government to the farmers. Now please select this state. As we have designed this chatbot for two respective states, that is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, in near future we can add multiple states here. Let's select Telangana state. As farmers may need multiple information which includes current weather, general crop processing information, weekly updates on agriculture related activities provided by government schemes, loan information provided by the government and so on. On the basis of this, we have designed the most frequently asked questions for farmers. Now, when the farmer wants to know the current weather information of any particular district, they just need to click on weather button. Now select the city to get the current weather information of the respective city. As we have provided here some 5 to 6 cities, in near future we can add multiple district names here. No. So if farmer wants to know current weather information of Hyderabad city, just click on Hyderabad button. Now our chatbot has forecasted the current weather information of Hyderabad city. That is, the current weather of Hyderabad is 34.27 degree centigrade. Current weather is haze, humidity is 33% and wind speed is 2.57 km per hour. This weather forecasted information will help the farmers for carrying out their farming activities. Now, if the farmer wants to know about the crop processing information, which includes suitable climate, soil, fertilization, irrigation methods, etc., they just need to click on crop protection. As the crops has been categorized in different categories like commercial crop, food crop, fruit crop, and so on. Now, let's select commercial crop. So all these crops are the commercial crop. Now if the farmer wants to know about chili farming, just click on chilies. Chatbot has provided all the general information of chili farming which includes the climate suitable, like chilies can be grown in warm and humid climate with a temperature of 20 to 25 degrees centigrade. What type of soil is suitable for chilies? That is, chilies can be grown in black soil. What is the right time for sowing the chilies? Chilies can be sown in May to June for Kharif, and for summer it is sown in the month of January. What type of seed treatment is required for chili farming? What type of fertilization is required for chili farming? And what is the right time for harvesting the chilies. So in this way, the whole general information will be provided to the farmers by the chatbot. As Telangana and Andhra Pradesh are the largest producer of rice, so if the farmer wants to know general farming practices related to rice, just select food crop and click on paddy. The chatbot will provide whole general crop processing information of paddy, like what type of climate is suitable for rice, what type of soil is suitable for rice, what type of land should be prepared for rice, what are the cultivation methods of rice, and what is the right time for the rice cultivation. So in this way, the chatbot will provide the whole general crop processing information to the crops for the respective crop. Now, as government and Kisan call centers provides the weekly updates and advisory on agriculture related activities. and farmers may not get these updates due to some reason. For that, when the farmer click on agro advisory, here now it's providing some random answer. But in future, whatever the weekly updates are provided by the government or Kisan call centers to farmer will be updated here in chatbot so that the farmers get all the required information on time. Now, many farmers may not be knowing about how much loan is provided by government to farmers on various sectors or equipments of agriculture. So to get the loan information, just click on subsidiary loan information. Here, the loan has been provided in these different sectors or equipments of agriculture like bullock carts, animal husbandry, land development, etc. Now, if the farmer wants to know what type of loan is provided by the government for bullock carts, just select plug bullocks and bullock cart. Then select bullock cart. So chatbot has provided the information that is for pneumatic tire cart loan provided by the government is 42,900 rupees to the farmers, and for local tire card 36,400 rupees of loan is provided by the government to the farmers. Now if the farmer wants to know what amount of loan is provided by the government on the irrigation system, just click on minor irrigation. So on this different irrigation system, loan is provided by the government to the farmers. Now, if the farmer wants to know what type of loan and amount of loan is provided by the government to the farmers on sprinkler irrigation system, just click on sprinkler irrigation system. Our chatbot has provided the whole loan information provided by the government to the farmers on sprinkler irrigation system. Like depending on the sprinkler irrigation system size and pipe diameter, the loan varies. For example, like if the sprinkler irrigation system size is 63 mm and the pipe diameter is 1 HA, loan provided by the government is 16,700. So in this way, the chatbot will provide the whole loan information provided by the government to the farmers, and the farmers will get the information provided by the government and have a benefit of those loans. Now, if the farmer wants to know what type of schemes are provided by the government, central government to the farmer, just click on crop insurance. Our chatbot will provide all the schemes which are provided by the central government to the farmers on the crops like Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, restructured weather-based crop insurance scheme, and so on. Now, if the farmer wants to know what is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana or how to apply to this scheme, just click on Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. So it will be redirected to the page where the detailed information of the schemes will be provided and how to apply to the schemes information will be provided to the farmers. So in this way, the farmers will get the information of the schemes which are provided by the central government. Similarly, if the farmer wants to know what type of schemes are designed by the state government to the farmers, just click on government schemes. Our chatbot will provide all the schemes which are provided by the state government, that is Telangana government, to the farmer like Raitu Bandhu scheme, National Food Security scheme, and so on. So if the farmer wants to know what is Raitu Bandhu scheme or how to apply to this scheme, just click on Raitu Bandhu scheme. It will be redirected to the official page of Government of Telangana where Raitu Bandhu scheme detailed information will be provided to the farmers and how to apply to these schemes will be provided. So in this way, the farmers will get the whole information of schemes which are provided by the central government as well as the state government. Now, if the farmer wants to know more expertise guidance for their queries, they can contact to Kisan call centers. So for the number of Kisan call center, farmer just click on call toll free to KCC. Our chatbot will provide the toll free number of Kisan call centers to the farmers. So in this way, on just a button click on the quick queries of farmers can be solved within a second. Now, if the farmer have a query other than the most frequently asked question, they can use this input query box where they can type their query and submit it to the chatbot. The chatbot will respond within a second to the farmer query and try to solve their query with a smart solution. Like now, I wanted to know what type of climate is suitable for chickpea. As soon as I have submitted the query to the chatbot has responded me like the climate suitable for chickpea is it should be in a good moisture condition with a temperature of 24 to 30 degrees centigrade. So in this way, our chatbot will help the farmers in every possible manner. The future scopes of chatbot. The chatbot will be in a regional language so that the farmers can have an interactive and better use of the chatbots and better understanding with the response provided by the chatbot. Second, the chatbot with voice assistance service, where the farmers can record their voice instead of typing their queries in the query box and submit it to chatbot. As soon as the voice is submitted to the chatbot will respond to the queries with a smart solutions. Third, integration of pest detection in chatbot, where farmers will upload the picture of pest or insects that appear on the crop, and the chatbot will detect the pest that appears on particular crop and will provide the information about that pest and steps how to get the rid from it. So, our chatbot will help the farmers not only to get the general information about agriculture, but current weather information, subsidiary loan information, schemes provided by the state government as well as state central government in real time. So, this was a small demonstration of our product in which AI is used to replace the call centers and try to solve the problem of farmers like pest detection, getting schemes information with a smart solution. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys like it.